Hi, my name is Adhiraj Singh and I am LCVP IGCDP of LCX. I am here to design my project according to the business model canvas. I am working on Project Conserve, which deals with environmental issues. For our customer, the NGO, the value proposition would be the project impact. Our vision is engaging the youth to make the environment sustainable. Our impact line states that 40 internationals along with 400 students from 12 schools planting 2,000 trees across the city. The yearly impact goal of the project would come from this impact line. Then I will divide these goals according to the project cycles. We will deliver this value to the NGO by physically meeting and working with them. For this, we will have to charge the NGO rupees X per intern. Otherwise, the VPF is going to get pissed off. Thanks to my super cool MC, I have all the SOPs of IGCDPs well defined. So, I have to do sales and get the raises, hopefully before the next EP. Then I have to prepare the NGO before the realization actually happens. For this, I need to have a team of members and volunteers. TM, whoo! I will also need to make sure the logistics are in place well in time. We would need to partner with schools so that we have an access to students. We would need to spend rupees X on event venues and Y on project promotion. My project head would regularly communicate with the NGO and take their feedback. Our EPs would be organizing the tree plantation campaigns and doing other things mentioned exactly in the TN form. That's pretty cool. We will be having an EP conference and also creating EP leadership roles to enhance the experience. For matching, I will be sending mails to my IR contact and then with the help of CRM, send a newsletter to a lot of EPs. When the EPs come, we will induct them personally and then do an EP conference for all of them. Because of our friends from Brazil and Egypt, we will not be charging the EPs anything. Whoa, don't shoot me. We will be financially sustainable. Just wait and see the complete model. From the SOP, I have taken the key activities that I need to do during matching and realization and defined clear timelines and responsible for those. Because I don't want to be killed by angry interns, I have organized accommodation, Wi-Fi, pickup and all facilities promised in the TN form. I already have a good team. We would need accommodation and travel partners for the interns. We have to pay for the recon, pickup, Wi-Fi, accommodation and also invest in EP booklets. So we need to have amount X. All EPs will have EP buddies and the project head will take weekly feedback meetings. Our members are also trained in customer experience management and hence save our boards from burning. Our sponsors are interested in the impact and the student outreach. I can reach them through appointments, events, or LinkedIn. For being financially sustainable, we will raise funds through sponsorship. We'll have to sell the project, have an event, and record and showcase the impact. I would really need to synergize VPCIM and VPPD. This means we will have to define roles and responsibility clearly. We are planning to partner with a lot of media houses and the government. Getting the venue and the logistics for the event would cost us X. There will be an account manager from our side to ensure that we deliver all that's promised to the sponsor and maintain a good relation with them. In this model, there might be a lot of activities that are common for different customers, but as long as they are clearly defined, it's all good. This model gives me the space to do whatever I want in my project and the framework to make it happen the best way. ISEC India, it's time to go entrepreneurial. It's time to make GCDP cool again. And you know what? This model is built to last.